Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLE 450 4MATIC for sale. I'm going to do a quick video walk-around tour, show you some of the features of this vehicle. And if you're interested in learning more, of course you can always reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com. So we have a red exterior. We've got an espresso brown and black interior. It's a nice wood grain accent trim here. Heated and ventilated seats. Power memory seats, both driver and passenger. Sunroof. Steering wheel. Hopping inside, mileage currently at 13,640. With a push button ignition. Here we have our touchscreen display currently showing navigation, radio, and backup camera. And you can access some of those functions right down here in your center console. Get this navigation and radio media button. It's also a full touchscreen, so of course you can use the touchscreen itself, just like so. You've also got steering wheel controls right here. And then also this touchpad works as well. Below your display, we've got climate controls here. We've got cup holders. We also have ambient LED lighting throughout this vehicle. It's all fully customizable within the menu system. Okay. Last but not least, our Mercedes-Benz shifter. Go ahead and hop out, show you the rear seats next. This vehicle is equipped with the premium Burmester sound system upgraded speaker system. We also have heated seats in the rear as well. Rear seats here. I'm going to look at that sunroof stretching from front to the rear. We've got rear climate controls. Quick peek back up front. And then coming around to the back, we have our GLE 450 Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC badging. Power opening and closing trunk. Lots of storage space here, and push button to close. So once again, this is a 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLE 450 4MATIC. Comes in a red exterior with an espresso brown and black interior. And if you're interested in learning more, just reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com.